check on the exhaust fan, and some of the comments said, oh, maybe you lost a phase of power. Let's check it out. So, I mean, that very well could be, and I just overlooked it. Let's see. I don't think I lost a phase of power because that one's running. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I did lose a phase of power. Look at that. $120 to ground there. 209 there. 240. Now that's on the incoming side. Now that changes things. Good call. Glad I checked it. I'm glad you guys said something. I do have the box. Let's see. 209. 15. 120. That changes things. Okay, back down here. Maybe well, that's interesting. Well. Because I know. You guys recording? Yeah. Crap. Well, what's that set at? I don't know. Oh, it's set at 10 amps. Well. There's nothing in between it, it's just a straight line. Because we're not using this contactor. That contactor's not being used. Actually, it should be being used. That's the one. I got two motors running off that contactor. I don't know why. Maybe they didn't want to run extra wire, but let's see. 109. 109. 109. Oh. Well, duh. Of course I'm not going to have power there because there's nothing there. wacky power. Alright, now that changes things. Yeah, this is funny. This one's been replaced. Now obviously you can tell, but unit input 208, single phase. So they dropped a leg on this one. Huh. Do I have any boxes over here? No. They're gonna have to get their electrician out because I ain't monkeying with this one right now. Crap. Just like I said in a previous video, that they get the lowest contractor in, and come to find out that's what happened. And then they call us. Said they had their grease hoods cleaned. Said they had their grease hoods cleaned. And what happened then is they said one of them was running backwards. So they got a contractor out, which wasn't us. Said it was fixed. All of a sudden we get the call of my exhaust fan don't work. So here we are again, fixing other people's crap. So what I'm gonna do really quick is I'm going to just kind of lean the exhaust fan back, see if there's any broken wires, but I'm gonna obviously shut the power off. And then if it's not right there, they're gonna have to call their electrician. You know, and I asked who the electrician was, and it was another reputable company. But like I said, they always go with the lowest contractor, lowest bid. Okay, I got my box on here, so makes that good, but that's Romex. I got the power off. I don't know why I'm tipping this fan back. It's all freaking janky. Whoever did that's an asshole. There. That's probably where we lost the phase. But I ain't no electrician, and I ain't running no wire. So it looks like a new wire's got to be ran from wherever down there and run it up in the proper stuff. But we got this safe. I gotta go see. The belt I ordered was too small, but maybe I got a bigger one on the truck. I'll have to look and see. And hopefully not by screwing with this damn thing. I hope that I just didn't create a short. Let me see if I got another belt. Okay, so we didn't end up replacing that motor. Luckily, my subscribers had pointed that out to me. I didn't think of it at the time. I was like, well, whatever, you know, looks like a bad motor, on to the next one, you know, got stuff I gotta do. So one thing I should have checked was power, but I didn't want to get into that mess you first seen. You got to go back to the other video. That thing was all taped up, and so I just assumed that I had a bad motor. But you guys pointed out, hey, check, see if you lost a phase, because it looked like it lost a phase. Okay, so I was wrong. You guys were right. It did lose a phase. So believe it or not, after I showed you, you know, that wire that's all crunched up. Believe it or not, well, the electrician showed up like lickety split. He was there in like 10 minutes. I was like, wow. So I stayed up on the roof with him, and I told him, I go, listen, he's tracing power, he's doing what he's got to do as a technician. And I go, listen, upstairs that wire, or that Romex that shouldn't have been there, was all crunched up, you know, twisted, crunched, I don't know. So he actually, there was enough slack, he actually pulled it up, and about, I'd say about 1.5 foot of wire was just wasted. It was broken in 2 spots. It just, I played it safe. I was like, I'm not getting into this because this is an electrical issue. Call your electrician. Sometimes you just got to not open up the can of worms and let someone else take care of it that does that profession. I mean, I do wiring, don't get me wrong, but I'm not, if I find a bad wire from point A to point B, I'm not going to rerun it. That's an electrician issue. So we had, he had cut that wire off, and everything kind of lined up. It was just looked like it got twisted when they've been cleaning it. They cleaned it X amount of times. You know, the thing is pretty clean. Can't complain. But whatever company they got, it's cleaning the grease hoods, and they pulled that off there, and they must have twisted the wire, or kinked the wire, or did something with it. I don't know. So electrician got that fixed. We checked the rotation, everything was good. Motor started up, changed the belt, put the extension on there. Can't complain. It works. Didn't have to change a motor. Bonus, thank you. So we are on to the next one, and I don't know what we're doing. So you guys know what you need to do. Like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.